Now for our featured story of the day. This one catalyst could trigger Bitcoin explosion to 1 million per coin, according to the CryptoQuant CEO. So let's break this down. We'll start with the tweet right here. By the time Bitcoin hits 1 million, its market cap will surpass gold. And I believe right now it's here it says actually 17.8 trillion. So in 2024, before the gold tests were approved, gold's market cap was only 1 trillion. Let that sink in. Today it's 17.8 trillion. So if we assume gold's intrinsic value as a precious metal is 1 trillion, then around 16.8 trillion represents its demand as a safe haven asset and as a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin's current market cap is just shy of 2 trillion. It can go up 750% if gold demand shifts to the biddy. And considering the inflation, Bitcoin reaching 1 million isn't about if it will happen. The question is when. It's about when. People will start discussing the gold flipping within 5 years. So my question for the fam, when do you think the Bitcoin market cap will flip gold? And do you agree Bitcoin will be above $1 million per coin by the time that happens? I agree with that sentiment 100%. So let's dive a little deeper into this. Here you go. The chief executive of the crypto intelligence firm CryptoQuant is identifying the one catalyst that will send Bitcoin to 1 million price tag. That doesn't even factor in the strategic Bitcoin reserve for the United States of America and the pension funds, the state adoption, nation state adoption. You know what I mean? Bitcoin country over in El Salvador. That doesn't factor in the oil money, the Saudis, Saudi Arabia, Abu Dhabi, and the rest of the world. You already know, family. So anyways, he says that by the time Bitcoin reaches 1 million, it'll have overtaken gold. I agree with that. And according to the analysts, the King Crypto reaching 9 figures is inevitable as investor demand shifts from gold to the Bitcoin. Now, obviously, we just hit 6 figures. We're at 6 figures right now at the time of the live stream. 7 figures is a 10x. And then another 10x is 8 figures. Another 10x, we got 9 figures. Before you know it, well, 10x to 10 figures. Let's go. So quoting him here, in 2004, before the gold ETFs were approved, the gold market cap, a simple 1 trillion. Today, it's close to 18 trillion. So again, assuming gold's intrinsic value as a precious metal is just 1 trillion, then at around 17 trillion, it represents the demand as a safe haven and as a hedge against inflation. And I shared big breaking news with you earlier in the show. This is official. The United States Treasury Department released a report calling Bitcoin digital gold. It's official. So now you got nation state adoption. You got the leader of the free world embracing the biddy. Game on, gentlemen. That's all I'm going to say. Continuing with his quote, Bitcoin's current market cap is 2 trillion. If it can go up 750%, if gold demand shifts into the biddy. And shout out to the Oracle. Always appreciate gifted memberships on the stream. Congratulations, Duality Crypto. You've just been hooked up with the MicroStrategy membership of the channel on behalf of the Oracle. Considering inflation, Bitcoin reaching 1 million isn't it about if it'll happen, it's about when. People will start discussing the gold flipping in within 5 years. We're discussing it right now. He also goes on to note that a Bitcoin has yet to form a bubble despite reaching the 100,000 milestone for the first time. Quoting him again, fresh capital is fueling the biddy. As the realized cap grew, the ceiling price increased from 129 to 146,000 in 30 days. And at 102, it is far from a bubble. It would need a 43% surge to hit the threshold, often considered a bubble. So there you go, yo. Let me know your thoughts with the CryptoQuant CEO. When do you think we'll likely hit the million target? Do you think we will flip gold by then? And what are your thoughts on the United States of America adopting a strategic Bitcoin reserve, which is the big talk here in the markets? And what do you think about Middle Eastern countries such as Abu Dhabi, etc., adopting Bitcoin? Right now, Max Kaiser is speaking at the big event out there in the Middle East, and he said, be prepared for a big announcement, so we'll be watching. And there you have it. Welcome, everyone, to the Q&A segment of the live stream. And there you have it. The Oracle just gifted another membership. This gong strike is for you, and congratulations, Dark Memes. You've just been hooked up with the MicroStrategy membership of the channel. JC, please pick up your phone. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. And just like that, we just converted today's pod into a pump watch. How do you like that? We call that Bitcoin Alchemy, family. Welcome, everyone, to the live stream. We got 2,400 people here. We got the Nippinator in the building, new chairman of the SEC. We're pumping. Every day pumping above 100 Gs is a beautiful thing.